Hey guys, Matthew Gerber with Meyer Building. We're a premier post frame contractor in Indiana. Behind me, you'll see an ag shop for a local farmer. This building is 80 feet wide, clear span, 160 feet long, which is approximately 13,000 square feet under roof. You'll see machinery stored in there, semis. I'm excited to show you the interior. The exterior's got some cool features as well, and there's a lot of functionality with this building that Meyer Building brings to the post frame industry. Let's go check it out. So I want to call your attention to the feature behind me, which is a wraparound porch with a gable extension. Porches are something that really add aesthetic value to your post frame building. This porch here is an 8-foot wide porch that wraps around the corner of the building that also has the feature of this gable extension coming off of it. You can see at each post, there's also a miter, which adds flair to the porch itself. Each post is then built out and wrapped in steel. There's other options that you can wrap your posts in as well. You'll notice also there's a ceiling, which provides just a really clean, finished look to your porch. You can also put can lights in that, which you'll see on this porch as well. The porches is something that adds functional value, also aesthetic value to your post frame building. When you're choosing your next post frame building, think about adding a porch. So another feature of this post frame building is the size of doors that we have on it. So this one here behind me is a 28-foot wide by 16-foot tall overhead door. That allows this farmer to access with most of his equipment into his concrete floor in the interior. This door is massive and it serves a function, but also is aesthetically pleasing for our customer. On the inside, we'll show you some pictures of the massive springs and the intensity of this door. When you need large span openings in your building, consider post frame. Do you ever have problems opening your slide door? This IBeam slide door that Meyer Building installed on this project answers your problem. The super heavy duty trolley system incorporated with the aluminum extruded track allow this door to slide like none other. The aluminum framework is actually an IBeam framework that the manufacturer offers a 115 mile per hour wind guarantee. So on a 40 by 16 foot 6 opening, that matters to you. You also saw from the outside of this building, I opened the slide door. Standard slide doors have a jam latch on the inside that require you to go in the building to open up your door. This one has exterior handles that allow you to open from the outside to save you time and also add functionality. This slide door is the answer for post frame. So Meyer Building uses permacolumns almost exclusively for our post frame foundation system. This is 10,000 PSI concrete with a metal bracket with 4 rebar welded to the bottom of it that goes 4 feet down into the ground. This not only gives you longevity and a foundation system that will last, but also structural integrity for your building. One of the things that Meyer Building pays extra attention to is the structural integrity of each building. This building here was engineered with 2-ply trusses, 2x10 top cord, 2x10 bottom cord, made of yellow pine MSR 2400 grade lumber. Each truss is then connected to its own load-bearing column. The trusses are 8 foot on center, therefore the columns are 8 foot on center. Each column is a 4-ply 2x8 column attached to a permacolumn. Whenever we connect our column to our truss, we make sure to install 2 bolts at every connection. That sets us apart and is something that we take extra attention to because the structural integrity of your building is what's going to matter the most in the long run. So this opening behind me, you don't see every day. So this is a 40-foot clear span opening that's holding 80 feet of clear span building load. So we've got an IBeam engineered for the specific application. This IBeam was engineered by Meyer Building, and it allows all of that load to be transferred to 2 jam columns. Those jam columns are 5-ply 2x8 columns that also go down to a footing that's been designed to carry the additional building load. This IBeam helps us and allows us to provide the opening that you need in your building. So we just finished walking through this ag building built by Meyer Building. So as you're considering the needs for your agribusiness, Consider Meyer Building and the value that we offer in addition to quality and service. Choose Meyer Building.